Hey guys, we're back with another episode of WTF, and this week we're with the script.
Film.
I
want you to use this from in the future. Listen to this one. That's good. Please use that one.
We'll use that next time, yeah. Are you excited?
I'm more nervous than I am excited. Yeah.
Nervous? Obviously, you guys don't need introducing, but we have Danny, Glenn, and Mark.
Yes.
Would someone like to open this and read it for us?
Okay.
Okay.
What's the fudge? Okay, here we go. So, hello Danny, Mark, Glenn, Kate, and Alex. Welcome to WTF. Your challenge is the WTF What the Fudge is in my mouth challenge. In the box in front of you, you will find a blindfold. You will all take turns and put the blindfolds on, and you will guess what has been put in your mouth. You will only have 15 seconds to guess what's in your mouth. A correct answer will give you 1 point. What we win?
Bragging rights.
$1 million.
Right.
Please rock, paper, scissors to see which team goes first.
I will not let you down today.
I'm ready.
I have given you all a spit cup in case you want to get rid of anything. and I've labelled it for you as well, so you don't have to cross-contaminate.
Oh, very cool.
Two eggs and a hanky.
Looks like 2 eggs and a hanky.
It's a blindfolded rock, paper, scissors. Okay, go. I win. Nice. Let's do it.
Oh, sorry, wrong side.
Okay, go on after 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, show.
Right.
think
Okay,
you're so
1, 2, 3, show.
Oh my god.
What'd you get? Who won?
Mark.
Basically, Mark won. So
Mark.
Mark can go first. Yeah.
Mark, you go
So
first.
they just wound me up. They just set me up because I couldn't see that. I bet no one was blindfolded in.
Would you like to put something in my mouth? Would you like
Do I eat this?
Yeah,
You can, yeah.
You've got 20 seconds to work out what it is.
Oh my god.
15 seconds.
I didn't believe it.
You know what? It's definitely a fruit. And it feels like a
5
raspberry.
seconds.
Cherry.
No. Anything else?
It looked like a ball, you're right.
Stop.
It's not an olive.
No. Do you know what it is? You can open up now.
Peach.
Close. It was a lychee.
Never had a lychee.
Have you not?
No.
That's sick.
Where's the lychee from?
The lychee? Oh, it's from a
Asian?
tin.
It's Asia, isn't it?
But it's an
I don't
Asian.
know.
It's a fruit that grows in a tin.
I should probably know this.
Today it came from a tin. I think usually it comes from a tree.
Asia.
So it's my go now.
It's your go.
Right, here we go.
Right, you're doing this for us. Come on.
No peeking, I could see it looking through them eggs.
Would you like to do
Can't see him.
Which is it?
Oh, this smells
You take the-
absolutely rank.
You should take the hair off it first.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's a biscuit, obviously, but it's
Yeah, what
I
type
got
of
the name of them. They got that little tiny little
Yes.
icing thing on top. I don't know the name. I genuinely don't know the name of
I
them.
think that counts though.
Base
15.
invaders.
Stop.
There's the biscuit with the
Done.
thing on top. What was it called?
Ice jam.
Ah!
But come on,
that's what I thought it was.
biscuit with the ice on top.
is
That's
there the icing
basically
on
an
top?
ice
Yeah.
jam.
Maybe we can do
Ice
half
jam.
a
Is
point
there
for
half
that.
a point?
Yeah, let's go.
Half point.
Round of applause for Danny.
Clap that in.
Round of applause for this gentleman. Thanks. That's it.
The thing is, an ice jam's so kind of
I didn't know
tame,
if you
isn't
would
it? But
know
when you've
ice
got
jam.
your eyes covered, you're like, do I
So
buy
hard,
this?
yeah,
Or do I
yeah.
buy this?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Do you wanna-
I'll do it. Sorry, I just so almost left you hanging there.
would've been
That would have been a
funnier.
great thumbnail.
Can we do it again?
Left Danny
Here,
hanging.
go for it.
I know he's not gonna know what this is.
Really?
Really? Come on.
He might have had something similar in his mouth before now.
Oh. 3, 2, 1.
Look at his handshake. Are you hungover? Are you?
Is it nice? Oh, that's good.
2, 1. Ah!
It's vegetable.
2 seconds.
Yes,
one,
it is a vegetable.
And it's over.
Oh, green. Oh, come on.
Yes, it's the famous vegetable green.
Green, yeah. I can't think of it.
It was a mini
It's a
gherkin.
mini gherkin. It was nice.
It was nice.
Really nice.
I think you might have to take a bite out of it because it's very big.
Okay,
Why don't you break it in half?
I'll open
Yeah.
and bite.
Break it in half.
Okay.
Go.
Oh,
You'll definitely know what it is.
feels like a tail, but I know it's not animal. Oh,
Nice.
that corn on the cob.
Yes! We got it. Yeah, 11 seconds. Boom.
That was quick.
Does it help that it was a baby corn on the cob?
Yeah, is there a name for that?
Oh,
the-
get over.
How strict are we being here? You know?
I think we can give it.
Oh,
baby
we'll
corn.
give it to you. We'll
Baby
give it to
corns.
you.
Maybe
Yeah, good idea.
Do you know I can hear you, right? I can't see you, but I can definitely hear you.
Just spit on it. Okay. Open up, Mark. Open up.
Opening.
Open wide.
Dada. Dada.
Kak, kak, dada.
seaweed.
Totally. No, I knew it straight away.
No way.
You know what? You know how I know he knew that?
that was
Because
the
he orders it all the time. He orders it all
Really?
the
I
time.
can
Yeah.
seaweed a lot.
No way.
That was the salt and soy flavour.
Salt and soy.
Yeah,
Oh,
treated
yeah.
you well.
So that's 1.5
There was
to
a
one.
wasabi
Pulling
one.
it back.
Yeah, back to you.
That's
Pulling
nice.
it back.
Oh, that's
I
right.
like it.
Oh, I do like to
I do.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't like them. I don't imagine he likes them, but I think it's going to be a good.
I'll put it on a spoon for you.
You don't get my very expensive glasses, don't you?
Exactly.
That was a cracking joke.
That was a cracking yolk.
Exactly. Big
Oh,
one.
this smells so good.
Smells amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna
Ready?
love this.
Yeah.
And
Go. 9 seconds left.
He's actually shaking.
The peach.
no.
Dried fruit.
Yeah, what time?
6 seconds.
Disgusting.
4 seconds. 2
Oh
seconds.
my god, it's a raisin? It's a giant raisin.
Done.
Oh, so close. It literally is a giant raisin. There's a prune.
Wow.
Do you like prunes?
Prunes are good.
No, where's your spill cup?
Here.
They're awesome. Very good for you.
Ugh, that's disgusting.
We might need a longer encore tonight.
I was hoping
because
to
of
have
this.
someone spit into the cup.
Kind of and what, and then stick it on eBay later?
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah,
Would you ever eat a prune that one of them have half eaten?
Wow.
Is this a trick question?
No,
Did they
this
already
is-
eat that prune?
Maybe.
Yeah, you guys must get close on tour, so would you ever get that bad?
I'll definitely
Not by choice. They steal food all the time
Do
from
they?
each other, though.
That's
yeah,
true.
That will happen.
That
you
is
could
true.
leave something down, and you could turn away and come back, and it's
And
gone.
it's gone, yeah.
I'm the worst person for that though. I'll walk in and be literally like,
But
that's
it's
my
not
bottle of
because
water.
he thought it was yours. It was because he thought it was actually
his.
his.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
My
you put it
halfway
down,
sandwich
it's
went the
mine.
other night, gone. I came down, there was half there and I came down from the upstairs in the bus, sandwich gone.
Yeah.
It's like, no point in asking who ate that, you know what I mean? It's gone.
Label your food.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
you
do.
must. It
We
doesn't
actually
matter.
do, actually,
The thing
yeah.
is
But
that-
once it's open,
They are labelled.
They
know, yeah.
convince themselves that their name is Mark. You know?
what's mine is mine and what's yours
Oh.
is mine.
It's only in the cellophane wrapper though. Once it's out of that,
Yeah,
the
it's
name's
technically
off.
yours.
Nameless.
Right.
Yeah. So do you all hang out on the same bus?
Yes.
Just travel.
No, I have a separate one because I'm such a
Because
diva.
his ego, his
ego.
ego has a separate bus,
Yeah.
but yeah, we all
Yeah.
do. We all stay in the same
I'll
bus.
see you there. I'm flying.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're all the turbo yeah, I get a private jet straight there.
Yeah.
Thanks very much.
Yeah.
But yeah, we all hang out in the bus. There's probably about
7 of us?
7 of us on the bus, and then but on the crew bus there'd be like maybe 12 or something. But
Yeah.
we have there's a lot of coaches, a lot of trucks. There's probably about maybe 14, 15 trucks that come around with
Whoa,
us.
that's crazy.
Everywhere as well. Yeah, the crew probably on any day of about 50 to 60 people, which is
Yeah, it's a lot of people.
yeah, it's a lot of people to feed as well. So
Yeah.
Okay,
Right,
ready?
come on, let's do
Glenn,
this.
we need a
I
point.
think this will be
I
easy,
promise
but
I
it's
did.
actually not.
Okay.
You're gonna need to open your mouth wide,
Wide.
for this one.
like very wide.
Well, alright.
Big pair of balls on your belly. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Spoon approaching mouth. Choo choo! Choo choo! Open up!
Oh, this is Chinese.
Mmm.
It's Indian.
I need ball. Mmm.
Oh, I have.
Italian.
I eat these.
You do?
5 seconds.
You like these?
5 seconds.
Onion bhaji.
And
Oh,
you're so close.
Is it close?
So close.
It was a falafel.
Oh,
Do you eat them?
Close though.
I thought it was chicken.
They've got something
I did think it was a
Yeah,
bhaji
when
too.
you're on the road,
same
does
texture.
your diet, do you get
Suffer.
takeaway, stuff like that,
All
or
the
do you
time.
try to be really
We
healthy?
do, but what happens is that if you eat anything that's spicy, for example, you will see that again later on
Oh,
stage.
yeah.
You really will.
More about your nose, you'll see. You know?
You know, it just comes up, because we are a very active band on
Yeah.
stage, and we do run around a lot. Like
Yeah.
we do 3 or 4 miles on stage every night. So
And you've been going into the audience.
yeah,
Yeah.
a
How
lot.
was that? Have you
Yeah,
loved
every
that?
night fun.
Any
night fun.
accidents?
Is that a new thing for this tour?
And we started doing it about 3 or 4 years ago. Dan started running through the audience, and then last tour we decided that we were going to open the show intro, and walk through the audience with a sort of procession of flag bearers.
Yeah.
And that went so well that we've been always trying to make these bigger venues feel a little bit more intimate,
Yeah.
smaller, because it's very hard to do. You're almost like ants on stage to people that have bought
Yeah.
tickets all the way at the back. So we're always trying to bring people a little bit more closer to the
Yeah.
show, and sometimes that just means we have to get in the audience.
Yeah. Have you had any clinging hugs, or have you been
Yeah.
able
Yeah,
to?
yeah, many
absolutely,
times.
Someone
Particularly
tried to
when you
pull
go
my
in the
hand off
audience.
the other night. We go out and we play a C stage, it's called. We go out and we play acoustic in the audience, and as
Yeah.
we're running back, me and Mark, we kind of put our hands out,
Yeah.
and people are, clapping you. And as I'm going, I literally, someone held on to me, and I actually
They
heard
try
that
to
was
steal your
because we were
words,
moving
it's,
fast.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you're
So it's like,
watching.
yeah, they were hanging on to my hand. I was like,
Yeah.
that was
What are
from
you
a
doing,
girl.
girl?
Really? Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
with
the
a big
scrape.
giant scar all the way down.
What did she do it from, or was it just her hand?
Look at that.
Oh my god.
But that was at the after show.
That was my girlfriend.
Scrape of truth.
He married her.
We ended up, you can start rumours now. You married her. The ring's on the right, not the left. But yeah, it was going through the audience, and this was in Scotland, and one of the girls, I think sometimes out of thousands of people, there's always just one person who
There's-
doesn't
yeah,
really know what
always.
to do. And they just see like someone who they wanted to see all their life, and she just grabbed onto me. But she kind of grabbed onto me and just did not let go, and the security were trying to pull her off. She scraped my...
No.
Yeah, because that's what you
Top
do when
and
the singer's
stuff,
gone by. Hold on to him.
Hang on to him.
Definitely we're winning.
I think we're winning.
Are
Aren't we?
you?
No, they're not.
Well,
1.5 to 1.
Oh, wow,
Thank you.
1.5.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
See, the
yeah.
point
Game
five
and a
worked.
half.
Gotta get that extra.
I
The
did
little
say
icy
onion
thing, the
bhaji.
picture
I
of the
was
icy
close
thing.
as well.
maybe.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Bubble,
Yeah.
bubble bluff.
Go, yeah, go, yeah.
Are you ready?
One.
Go. Open your mouth wider.
Down.
Yeah, go.
Oh my god, what is that?
It's not nice.
Chew. Lovely.
We didn't mean to play a prank on you, I swear.
Hold on. Is it like a peach?
4 seconds.
Mango.
Close.
Quite
Kinda.
nice.
What? 15 seconds.
Boom.
Boom.
Goodness knows.
You and Mark have got similar tastes.
What was it?
Lychees.
You're joking!
Yes! We figured it had the word lion, so we figured we'd lie. So.
It sounds like peach.
Double bluffed you.
It does taste like peach, doesn't it?
You'd already won, so we thought we might as well play a prank.
That was really nice. I really like lychees.
They're nice, aren't they?
You know what? I would have never eaten one had you not blindfolded.
Whereas,
me,
are you
but
going to get
actually-
some tins now? You
I
can
was
get some
definitely
fresh
gonna
ones,
say
but I
where
don't
it's
think they're in
Yeah, they grow on
season
tins
right
in
now.
Tesco's, yeah.
Right, so you're playing the O2 for the second
Tinder.
night tonight.
Yes.
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
excited? How did
Yeah.
last night go?
Last night was amazing.
Probably one of the better gigs I think we've had in this
It
place.
was.
We've played this building a few times, and I think last night was the most
Definitely, yeah.
craziest we've ever.
Really?
Yeah, the audience were. It was almost like a festival. It was crazy. They were just
On each other's shoulders
Yeah, it
and
was,
anything
No
you do.
way,
You can always
okay.
judge a crowd by whatever you do. If there's a certain amount, it goes like maybe 16 people back will
Yeah.
all do the handmade movements or whatever. All the way back to the back, all the way up to the top.
it was amazing.
Everybody was doing
I bet that
every single
must be
thing.
amazing to look out and be
amazing.
like,
Yeah, it is.
these are all here
It is
for us.
one of our better
There's great
shows.
goodwill in the room as well. I had a neighbour come to the show and she said the
nice.
energy even outside the venue as I'm leaving
Yeah.
is the same as it was inside, you know.
Yeah,
So
it
it
was
seems to spill outside as
So
well.
good. So, did you enjoy that, guys? I'm sorry to
was
say
great
that we
fun.
won.
Thank you.
And
I'm not sorry to say
know,
we won.
Okay,
That's-
I'm not
that's-
sorry that we won. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
coming
guys.
on and
Thanks very
joining
much.
us
Thank you
on
for
the
having us,
video.
and yeah, stick around for tonight. Enjoy the show, and
We'd love to.
yeah, we're
That'd
gonna
be
stick
awesome.
something musically into your mouth later
Into
on.
your-
That you're gonna love.
See, can you guess what song it is?
Did you guys enjoy it?
Loved it. I had an amazing
Did
time.
you enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I've done that.
I definitely enjoyed it. We'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.